5 animal facts you've probably never heard of. Number 1. Every single earthworm has both male and female reproductive parts. Number 2. Vampire bats have incredibly sharp teeth. So sharp that you might not even feel their bite. Their saliva also contains properties that reduce pain. Number 3. Hippos' closest living relatives are actually whales and dolphins. Number 4. A chameleon's tongue is as long as its entire body. It moves incredibly fast, allowing them to snatch prey in a fraction of a second. Number 5. Hummingbirds can flap their wings up to 200 times per second to stay airborne.